Hi there. In this video, I will discuss how to fix the feed problem in the Google Search Console. You can see lots of feed error in the Google Search Console. That's irritating. There are so much error about the feed URL. Let's see how to fix it. We are in the WordPress dashboard. Now, I will install a plugin which will remove the feed problem. You need to search disable everything. Just click to install now and click to activate. Now you need to go to the setting, disable everything. You need to search disable RSS feed. You need to select RSS feed. Just click to save changes. After save changes, you just need to select validate and fix. It's done. That is how you can fix the Google Search Console feed problem. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.